Mary Phillips' journey to makeup stardom, unlocking secrets and empowering confidence. The makeup artist's evolution. Mary Phillips, a renowned makeup artist with a multifaceted career, took the stage at the WWD LA Beauty Conference to unveil her new identity. As the founder and chief creative officer of M.Ph, Phillips is ready to share her secrets with the world. But her journey to this point is a captivating tale of artistic evolution and self-discovery. Phillips, with an esthetician's license in her arsenal, has worn many hats in the industry. She reminisced about her childhood dream of doing makeup for movie stars, and her path took her through assisting renowned artists and working on sets with iconic photographers like Mario Sorrenti and Annie Leibovitz. However, her influence didn't stop there. She also became a social media sensation, captivating millions on Instagram. Unleashing the secrets. For years, Phillips guarded her techniques, fearing they might be taken and leave her jobless. But a shift occurred when she decided to launch her brand, M.Ph. "I'm putting all those secrets out there for everyone," she declared. This decision marked a turning point, as she began creating personalized homemade makeup kits for clients, complete with custom underpainting palettes and tutorials, empowering them to replicate her signature looks. The art of underpainting. Phillips' signature style is characterized by a soft, natural yet structured look, achieved through intricate techniques. She introduced the ancient art of underpainting to the masses, making it accessible and user-friendly. This technique's popularity was confirmed when her TikTok videos showcasing underpainting went viral, proving that people craved professional artistry they could replicate at home. Makeup as armor. Phillips' philosophy on makeup goes beyond aesthetics. "Makeup is an armor of confidence," she stated, acknowledging the emotional impact it can have. She observed how the pandemic affected people's beauty routines, but also emphasized the transformative power of feeling good about oneself. When you feel confident, you stand taller, ask for more, and the world responds differently. Makeup is that secret weapon, giving you the power to step into your dreams. The brand's success. Phillips' dedication to product quality paid off. Her brand exceeded Sephora's sales projections in just a week after launch. Being featured alongside industry giants like Mario Dedivanovic, Patrick Ta, and Charlotte Tilbury was a dream come true. Phillips' story teaches us that artistry, discipline, and collaboration are key, but sharing your gifts with the world is where true magic happens. And here's where it gets intriguing. Phillips' success raises questions about the balance between protecting trade secrets and empowering others. Is it better to guard techniques or share them openly? What do you think? Is there a middle ground that fosters both creativity and community? Share your thoughts in the comments.